So now we are going to make how to steam your milk for your Mikatos, for your cappuccinos. Okay, so now let's start without wasting your time. Come. So take how much you require for your Mikato. So this I just take that milk, clear all that, and just put it here little bit upper from your milk, and then start. And you will get 100% surely good milk froth from your steam milk. And tap it and leave it. And now I'm just going to show you how to make Mikato from that. Now here we go. Look at the foam. Look at the foam. Okay, now this is your foam for your Mikato. 100% result from that technique which I use for making Mikato. That's it.